Hey friends, if you wish to log into ChatGPT on your computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Here's how you can log into ChatGPT. First of all, open chatgpt.com and hit enter and then click on login. And then you have the option to log in using a pre-registered email address if you have that, or you can use your phone number. But the best methods are to continue with Google, Microsoft, or your Apple account. Now I have a Google account, so I will use that. It's the same for any one of these. And then click on this to register using your account, and then click on continue. Okay, you can set your full name and your birthday, and then click on continue. If you haven't signed up, it will sign you up as well. This is why I prefer an email account. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.